Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. What we are going to look at today is the project Edulab LMS. It's a learning management system and it was developed with Laravel. So we have so many users, we have the admin, we have the student, the organization, and the instructor, and then these are the customer reviews, and these are the features available on the website and all. So if you are just coming here, you have to add to cart and then you follow all the procedures to purchase the script project. So item added to your cart. So you click on checkout to purchase the project script. So now I already purchased mine and then it is available on my local device. So let's get ahead with the installation. So here is the project script. I have extracted it to see if it was it. So you are not required to extract it because you are going to host this zip folder. So now the next step is to go to the cPanel where you want to make the upload. So you go ahead to the cPanel, you log in the cPanel. After you've logged into the cPanel, you are going to see something like this. So you click on File Manager. So you click on File Manager. After you click on File Manager, you go ahead to the public underscore HTML. So you have to host this thing right here. But I have some few folders over here. So you have to create your own folder, maybe Edulab or something, right? Edulab, right? So let me use the small letter version. So you create the folder. Now the folder is created successfully. Open the folder, open the folder here. So and then make your upload. You have to upload to the upload this one. Now it is getting upload, right? So with that, let's set up the database, manage my database, right? So let's call it Edulab as well. Edulab. So we create database. So we create that database. We have to add a new user. So Edulab. So use the password generator to generate a password and then copy the password. I have copied his password. Then click on create user, right? So go back. Paste this password over here so as not to forget. So Edulab, Edulab, and then add. Click copy villages and then make changes. So you have username to be payvalue underscore Edulab. Put it here like this. So this is the database username and this is the password, right? So we are done with the database configuration in this. So let's see where this thing is a bit slow, right? Let's let's wait till it's install finish. Níbi tètè wọlé jàre. So ń sùn jàre. Lẹ́yìn ètò mo fẹ́ ṣe ẹ máa kọ́pì yẹn jáde. Ìgbà tó wù mí kí n àtọmọ tó máa lọ. Ó máa bá wọn bí bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ sí i. Okay, so this has already installed. So now let's click on here. So we have it over here. So now we need to extract files, close, make a reload, open, select all file, and then you move to the first file, right? Move it here, and we have it. So the next step now is to go inside here, public, and then move this and this out. So you can just move it out, move files. So index.php, click on edit. So cancel all this, cancel all this, so, and then save. So let's check it out. Um, Edulab, right? Edulab. So we have the installation page. So let's get started. Get started. Requirements. Server requirements is okay. Next. Okay, so now storage framework, the permission, storage framework, storage lock, bootstrap cache. So let's go to the storage framework, the storage folder. The framework should be 775, right? The lock should be 775 as well, and the bootstrap cache should be 775. So you can just right click or you click on permission here. So now let's check. I think we click on previous and then go back to the next page. Next. So now we have all this enabled. Next. App debug true, app debug false. App name, let's just call it Edulab. Local environment production. Let's leave it on production. App debug, debug Edulab. Things like this. Just click any email and then if you want to click for anything here, click on next. So now this is the database configuration. You have the database name to be here, username to be here, and then the password. So click on next to see. So now do you want to import demo content? Let's click yes and see what they have us import. Now boom. You congratulations, you are all set up and ready to go. I think this is the document file to see the installation guide and all of that. So now looking at this, we have the admin portal slash dashboard, admin slash login, and then so let's see those dashboard one by one and then see how it works. Admin, right? Oh, sorry, Edulab, right? Edulab. So now we have the students, we have the instructor, we have the organization, and we have the admin. So we have the admin, the student, the organization, and the instructor. So now looking at this, you can log in with any of these details right here. You understand? So you just go to instead of admin, instead of admin, you just click on I think it is dashboard for the admin portal. The organization portal is dashboard as well. So this is the details. The instructor is the details. So just click on any of them and then use these details to insert into them. So now let's go to the admin section, admin@gmail.com, and 126 admin@gmail.com, admin@gmail.com, and then 126, right? And you log in. So now we have this admin end working fine, working as expected, and then all of that. So on the installation process, so they, they they've written in there that you should. I think I should find that place where it was written. No, now so we have to accessing the storage setting that means that you have to click on this storage link. So you can come ahead here, setting management, backend setting, and then just click on this storage link. Just click on it, and then now all the images in the system will start to be showing after you click on storage link. So the instructor page, the organization page, and the student, and everything is working perfectly as expected. And we have all of those pictures we can see right here. It is available on ours too. So that is that about that. You can just log into the instructor and see how everything is. So yeah, thanks.